Hey, it looks like I'm live now. Let me do quick one thing. Let me go inside group and put the message that I'm live now. Okay, so how are you guys? Nelson, hi bro, how are you? By the way, thanks for getting the subscription. I see you have the subscription tab. I'm now. Okay, so I just put the message in the group live now, and if anyone is there, definitely they are going to join it. Okay, meantime, let's do one thing. Let's start with our question answering session. Okay. Now, if you have any question, please start putting the questions in the group. Sorry, not in the group, in chat, and we will take those questions one by one. Okay. So, by the way, there is a very first announcement that I wanted to make that now the Evil Punch course is live. Okay. And there are some common misconceptions that I want to first of all address and clear. Okay. So very first question is the Evil Punch and the Evilginx is the same? My answer is no, it's not the same. There is a quite a difference. If you ask me, is Evil Punch has all of the things that Evilginx? Yes, it has all of the things, plus it has something more. Okay. The only difference with the Evil Punch and Evilginx, in which the Evil Punch will be differ, is basically the Python language, because in the Go language the concurrency is the key, and when it comes to the Python, there is a problem with the concurrency. But to tackle that, we have used the cache mechanism and multiprocessing. That means it will provide like equally performance as compared to the Go language when it comes to Python, even if it is in the Python. Okay. Now, that's all about the misconceptions people have, that if the tool is designed in the Python, if it is working in the Python, then definitely it is not having that particular concurrency and a lot of things, right? But if you cannot decide without you cannot decide without using the tool. First use the tool, then you will understand that how fast the tool is and how good the tool is. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the where you can get the tool. The very basic thing, you can just search for the Evil Punch on the Google, and right now, obviously, the Evil Punch PUNCH, yes, PUNCH. Right now, Evil Punch is not that much popular, so that's why there are not much links on the Google. But still, you will find good amount of content on the Google. You can click on the very first link, which will take you on the Evil Punch website, where yeah, a little bit promotion is done about the course. Here you will find the docs. Okay, so inside the docs you will find all the things you need in order to use the Evil Punch. Okay, like actual fishlet creation. And if you go on the GitHub right here, then you will find the source code of the Evil Punch. And if you go on my YouTube, and let me show you that too. Okay, so if you go on my YouTube, let's say from the demo, let's go on the YouTube, then here you will find the basically the reference videos for the Evil Punch. Okay, so you can go inside the playlist. Inside the playlist there should be one latest playlist like this one, in which I have given little bit introduction how the Evil Punch is and how to run the test of fishlet. Okay, that's all given right here, and some more content is going to come in the future, but that will be for members only. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can use the Evil Punch. By the way, in the videos of the course itself, you will see how much good speed the Evil Punch has and how which functionality the Evil Punch has extra. If you want to check it more, then what you can do is you can follow the demo video on the GitHub. This is the demo video, not this one. Just click here, watch demo, okay, and that should take you to the demo video, and you will understand that yes, it does create a value. Okay, Evil Punch is the valuable software. Okay, James. Hello. Hi. How are you? I saw, James, that you've been really active on the your website these days. I'm really happy about that. And like it's too nice to see you because it's been quite a long time since you haven't joined the live stream. Not photo. Hello, hi there, Ro. How are you? Okay, James saying I run the Evil Punch connected domain, use your sample fishlet, but nothing worked. Okay, so I'm 100%. Okay, so I think I saw your question on the website, right? So I saw your question on the website that you are running the Evil Punch, but nothing is happening. That's because you are not enabling the server of the Evil Punch. Okay, so let's do one thing. By the way, I have one testing lab on this server only, here only. So let me just open the testing lab. Obviously, in the testing lab, I don't have the production setup. I do have the local setup in this lab. Okay, right here. So I can just start right now and I will show you how exactly I'm going to run and if it is working or not. That we are going to test right here, right now. Okay. I hope you understand. Meantime, the lab is getting started. Let's move to the next question. Being reaching you, you have never replied. James, I am crazy busy, and on top of that, I am sick. Okay. I am taking medications. Right now, you can see my eyes are red, like I was sleeping, right? So, yeah, let's try to understand that. Uh, Tammy V, bro, Evil Punch is literally a simple tool. It's a very nice, good interface, but we need one thing. What about that have the working Microsoft 365 was fishlet? We need that proper one. See, those who have purchased the course will get the fishlet tomorrow because today I'm going to rest, I'm not going to work. So tomorrow definitely you are going to get the office website for the Evil Punch in that group. Okay, so don't worry about it. And even I think I will release for few people also that I have created uh, group. Okay, these are the people who attend everything from me. Okay, so that's why I decided to use those people as a testers. Okay, I'm also saying I'm glad to hear be here. Yes, yes, definitely. You are the part of the community where a lot of good things happens. And in future, like if you guys are going to contribute in the project, then trust me, in future, better things. By the way, you can see I am already working on the office. Okay, can you see login1.office.com? Okay, so I was already working on the office. By the way, let me show you how exactly the project is. So can you see the evil punch? By the way, let me just git pull one more time because I have made some changes. So let me do git pull and that should pull the new changes. Okay, cd into the evil punch, then do git pull. That should pull the new changes. Okay, so yeah, new changes are pulled in the project and now our project is ready. So in the project, you will see this run.sh file. Okay, so let's run this run.sh file. It will ask the password because it's going to install some packages. Okay, Tammy is saying for us in the study material group. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to share there also. The study material group people are like quite supportive. I know like a few people are little angry because they are expecting me to do more, but I'm not doing it. But try to understand that replying each person takes a time and takes a effort, and I get hundreds of messages. Okay, so that's why it is little bit tricky. I cannot reply everyone, but I do create a preference list. Those people are good to me, those people has purchased the materials, and I try to be on the time when it comes to the reply to those people. Okay, so we have the URL ready. Let me just copy. By the way, what am I running right here? It's on the local server. It's not on the production. Okay, it's on the local. But on the production, it should look work exactly same. And I do have the videos, by the way, on the production too. So I know it works. Okay. So yeah, if you go inside the fishlets, we have pretty much good collection right here. Um, the fluxed fishlet that I'm going to use. But let's do one thing. Okay, everything is disabled right here. So let me disable this one too. And what I will do, I'll search here Evil Punch and I will use the fishlet which is posted on the website. PUNCH. Yeah. I'm going to use the fishlet which is hosted on the website. So I'll go inside the docs In the docs, if I go full sample, in the full sample, I will get these fishlet, okay, the fluxed fishlet right here. So let me just copy the fishlet, okay, and I have copied that particular fishlet. Let me go to the new fishlet. I will say new one, flux, okay. Generate proxy auth, the paste right here, click on the create. It is saying the name is not accepted, so new fish, something like this, right? Now let's create. Uh, we are not seeing your screen. Yo, shit. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. Thanks, chat. Thanks. Shit. Okay. Anyway, should I start again? What I'll tell you what I have done. Okay. So let me just disable that fishlet. Okay. Or just start by beginning. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, so when we go inside the evil punch folder, this is how the evil punch folder looks like. Okay, run.sh file is there, start multiprocessing.sh file is there. You just run.sh file, that's it, nothing else. Okay, and that will do all of this setup. And remember one thing, that do not run that as a normal user. Right now I am running as a normal user. My user name is Flux. I need to do sudo su, okay, and then I need to run, okay, because the port number 443 is locked and not all people have access to the all user has access to that particular port number 443. That's why we need to run as a root. Okay, now the dashboard is running, so let me just copy that URL, open browser right here, paste it, and this is our dashboard. Let me put the credentials for the dashboard, and now I am inside the dashboard. Okay, if I go inside the fishlets, you will see a lot of fishlets available. Almost all of them are disabled. This is enabled one. Let me deactivate that too. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to type evil punch on the Google, go to the website, go to the docs, and there is a one fishlet at the bottom of the doc called full sample. Okay, and this is the basically fishlet for the fluxet, and that's what we are going to use. Okay, so let me see, hit the Control C copy button, and here I will add XSX as a fishlet name. Let me paste the fishlet right here, click the create fishlet. Now fishlet is active. Let me go inside the domains and see if the domain called XXX is active. Okay, it looks like the domain is also active. Now, there is one more thing I forgot. In the fishlet, I need to replace the domain name, right? So this is our fishlet. Let me click on the edit. Let me go here. Replace the yourdomain.com with the proxy domain. This is my proxy domain that I am going to use. Okay. So where is it? In the filters, I guess. Yeah, here also there is a yourdomain.com. Okay. Now let me update the fishlet. Now there is one more important step that you supposed to do. Okay, you need to add the local host. So click on the get local host, copy all the host, and you need to add. By the way, you need to add the local host only on the local computer. Okay, I'm going to come to the chat, by the way. Just give me 1 second. Let me run the fishlet, then we will come to the chat. Okay, etc hosts. Okay, that's the file. Here we are going to paste it, save the file, exit from the file. Okay, now we have everything ready. The last thing we need to do is we need to go to the server section. Here start the server. By the way, James, if you are watching, I think you did mistake right here. You need to make sure that server is started. If you click one more time, then it will start because it needs multiple time clicks. There is some issue. Okay, now it is saying running. That's great. Go inside the fishlet, copy the link for the fishlet, go new tab, enter the link. Okay, and it copied the wrong link. It copied the wrong link. I think there is an issue in here. Yes, it copied the long link because I think I did one mistake right here. Uh, Proxy domain is this one, host is this one. I did somewhere one mistake. But anyway, the fishlet is not wrong, the process is not wrong, only the link copied is wrong. Okay, only this link is wrong. So let's modify the link. Okay, remove the fluxset.com from this link, and now this is the correct link. Okay, once I hit enter, can you see xxx.in is the this domain, and can you see the dashboard is loading right here? Can you see the dashboard is loading right here, and oh sorry, the website is loading right here, and here if you can put the credentials. Okay, let's do one thing, let's put the valid credential. Okay, this is the one, this is the username, this is the password. Let me copy, click on the login, and it's supposed to do login. Okay, the login is done. Let me go to the dashboard and let me do inside these sessions. Can you see in the session, this particular session has been captured, and these are the credentials. Username is captured, password is captured, and cookie is also captured. Okay, now I can just copy the cookie and see if it is working. Okay, let me copy the cookie, go back here, open the fluxset.com, and let me see if it is logged in. No, it is not. Let me go on the login page, click on the import cookies, delete all existing cookie, paste new cookies, click on the import, and that should be doing my work. Yes, I got access to the account. Okay, so yeah, this is how you basically run the Evil Punch, and this is the Evil Punch working. There is a small bug on the dashboard that it is showing the wrong URL right here. In the fishlet, it is showing wrong URL. Basically, it is adding the original URL and the duplicate URL at the same time. I will fix it that. Like, that's not a big issue. Like, after this stream, I will fix it and create the pull request. I didn't notice that that particular bug is there. But anyway, now you know, James. I think now you know. Okay. Let me create the chat in the pop-up so that everyone can see it. Okay, I've been messaging you so I can purchase the course. You don't reply either. See, if you want to purchase directly, go to the shop and purchase. Okay, there is no need to take confirmation for me and then going to purchase. Okay, because like I know what I'm going through, so it is really hard to reply each guy in messages. So it's really hard. Okay, as soon as I get time, definitely I reply, and few people knows it. I reply. Okay, but until then, please allow me some time. Okay, love yourself is saying hello. I want to serve your members, but YouTube don't allow my country's card and other option. There is a not any other option because like the subscription on the YouTube we don't handle. That's handled by the YouTube only. Okay, so whatever the option is available, then YouTube can give it to you. It's not in my hand. Okay, it's not in my hand. Apart from this, let's go to the next question. We are not seeing. Yeah, I just fixed this thing. Okay, since you started the live stream, Tam is saying, okay, not is saying, I thought it was only me. No, actually, there was a little bit issue. I didn't share the screen properly, so that's why. Sorry about that. Thank you so much, bro. I've been trying all day. Uh, See, I understand you are trying all day, but make sure that you check the documentation and the videos, okay? Because if there is a something that basically uh, needs to fixed, I will fix it. By the way, this particular issue is coming somewhere in the GitHub only. So for you guys, I can just directly open my GitHub right here and show you how much it is easier to fix the bugs in the Evil Punch. Okay, I can fix that particular bug right away. Okay, meantime you can start asking the questions because I don't want to waste your time. If you have any question, start it. Okay, Tammy is saying, so we should be expecting any videos on the YouTube anytime soon on YouTube. Yes, definitely. It's a tool. I need to promote my tool, so definitely there will be videos on the YouTube, but don't expect everything on the YouTube. you will get everything in the course only. So if you go here, you find this particular course, right? So you will get everything in the course. All topics are given right here in the list. All those topics are covered. And not only that, there is a micro link also of the topic or whatever is covered on the group. Okay. So yeah, please check it. Like it's a fun. Okay. Let me show you where exactly that bug is. It's that particular bug is inside the models.py file. So if you go here, then you will find that I'm adding the get proxy URL, right? In the get proxy URL, basically somewhere it is creating the issue. I think it's a proxy, not the proxy. Or what we can do is here we can fix it. That's also easy. And I will just update it there in the models.py. Get proxy URL, get proxy URL, there's self-control username password, not this one, redirected fishlets. Yeah, inside the fishlet, I guess. Yeah, get auth URL. Yeah, that's where the issue is. Okay. So proxy domain is there, dot proxy host is there, which is causing the issue. So we can just remove this particular proxy host like this and save it. And if we go back right here, do Control C and rerun, it should be fixed. How can we import fishlets? Right now, the import option is not given. You need to copy paste the fishlet. If you go inside the dashboard and refresh, sorry, let me enter the credentials. So if you go inside the dashboard, then you will see somewhere here the new fishlet option, right? So here you need to copy paste those fishlets right here directly. Okay, there is a no import option given as of now. Okay, does the subscription comes with the Evil Punch and the Evilginx setup? That's tricky. No, if you're taking the Evil Punch subscription, it will come for the Evil Punch. If you are taking the subscription for the what we call Evilginx, then it will come for the Evilginx. Okay, that's simple. Okay, now let me check where is my proxy host. It is saying yourdomain.com, the plug said, the key, the din. Okay, is it the. But I start asking the question, right? Meantime, I'm fixing it. I'm also going to answer your questions. So please ask the question as many as you can, because that's the only time I'm fully available to attend your question, and you guys are not asking the questions. That's not good. Okay, when I like you guys complain I don't answer the question, and now I'm here to answer the question, you are don't ask the question. Okay, so yeah, please ask the question as much as you can. Okay, it is saying p get proxy URLs, proxy type displayed, proxy name, okay, whatever it is. Then there is a proxy URL. I want to check disabled cache. I think in the second option only it should show the proxy of fishlet list. Fishlet name will be here, right? So basically proxy auth is there, the name is there, the influx std, the name is printed, and here the proxy auth is getting printed. So proxy p.proxy domain, then p.get auth URL and p.get proxy auth. Why we need two things here? Because the proxy URL is complete, then why we need the proxy auth in the first place? I don't understand that. Okay, so basically proxy auth is the path that is supposed to go here. Okay, can't see your screen. I have already shared the screen, brother. How exactly you cannot see your screen? Maybe you are like behind in the stream. That's why. Because after that I have already shared this thing. Hi bro, when I'm testing the office, especially the notepad that's supposed to contain the cookies only has the word null. Yeah, someone reported yesterday that the cookie is working on the other website specialist, but it is not working in the office specialist. So there might be two possibilities. Either the logic I am using to capture cookie or the framework I am using to capture cookie, that particular framework has the issue. Okay, so that particular framework needs the fixing. Okay, yesterday only I told the people that yes, I'm going to fix it. Just give me little bit time because I've been busy recording the course content. I've been busy recording in the so that's why I was not able to create the new modification file. But definitely I'm going to create. Okay. If I have given the material, I will modify it. That's it. Okay. Please leave the tutorials video on Evil Punch while we punch it. Yeah. Does the Evil Punch also need SSL certificate? Is if yes, can Cloudflare SSL work with it? Yes. The benefit of the using Evil Punch is it works with the self-signed certificate plus Cloudflare. It works with the Cloudflare plus Origin certificate. So it works both ways. Okay. So that's a benefit of Evil Punch. Your screen does not show. Can we see your screen? You didn't share your screen with. Uh, I think I have shared the screen. You can see my screen. Let me check on the YouTube by myself. Let's see. I think I have shared the screen. By the way, it's almost 26 minutes, so please start asking questions.
So you just mentioned that you want to learn Python. So do not learn
You
Python in
might be
manual way in 2025
behind
because learning
of
Python in
some
manual way will
minutes.
take you.
That's why the screen is not visible. Yeah, the screen is visible. See? Can you see? The screen is visible. I think there is an issue on the your side only. Okay. There must be something wrong on your side. Okay. The result URL is here. The main domain. The property. Okay, I will check this bug by the way. What we need to do is you will see something like this, which is like complex URL, yourdomain.com, then .fluxet.com again coming right here, right? Which not supposed to come, right? Uh, yeah, you just need to remove the fluxet.com from this particular URL and access it. That's it. Okay. As of now, if you are testing, that might not work because that particular bug exists here. Okay. So make sure that you, by the way, I think I can revert to the old logic by then so that at least you can test that particular flux set only. Okay. Sorry, the flux set one only. So I have one history right here. I can click on the history. In the history, added trigger for cache, redirect model needed, redirector link with the fishlet, auth URL issue fixed. So in the auth URL issue fixed, I can go right here. I can check what I have done and what was previously there. So previously it was there like this. Okay. So until the issue is fixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Okay. So let me jump on that file from here or here. I will keep the old logic until I am fixing the issue. Let me test that if old logic is working first right here. Okay, otherwise you will face the issue on the both side. That's not good. Let me click on this save. Let me go in the dashboard, save it. Yes, in the old logic, obviously there was an issue with the subdomain. That's why it was not working. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to revert the code to the old logic so that right now at least you will start testing. Okay. If you are facing the issue right now, at least you will start testing. So I think Evil Punch, not Evil Punch. I think in the core there is a model templates. Inside the templates there is a one file called proc fishlet list. Inside the fishlet list, there should be edit that we need to do. Yeah, right here, right now, right here. This is one location. This is second location. Okay, I have just updated the file in the main. I think I'm not sure in which branch I have updated. Yeah, in the main branch I have updated. So now I think you can see the issue is fixed as of now. There is a one more issue with it, but at least you will have Evil Punch working with the fluxet issue. Grateful. By the way, it's time getting. Please ask the questions, guys. Does the course contain how to get open redirect? You need to understand one thing, guys. Like open redirect is a vulnerability. Okay, it's not a function, it's not a feature, it's a vulnerability, proper bug in the website. So it's not in our hand if we can find the open redirect or not. Okay, if in any website open redirect exists, then it is exist. Okay, if it is not, it is not. Okay, end of the discussion. So this is how it works. Okay, if it is there, it is there. If it is not, then it's not. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, anyway, in line number 66, I think I have done the fixing. So I think right now you should at least have the correct evil punch source code. And in case you face a issue, create the issue right here on the GitHub. There is a one top like proper issue tracker right here on the evil punch, right on the GitHub, right? Use that, please. Okay, don't be like, okay, give me this, give me that. We don't know what this and that is. Okay, because you need to properly add that somewhere so that I can track it. Anyway, it's time, I guess. It's been like 32 minutes. So I will take few questions. I have an issue. I have Office Wishlet working, but the cookies do not work. Also having a link, and when I am click on the link as the logged in, no cookies captured. Uh, First, if cookies are not working, that means you are missing some cookies. Second, if all cookies are not capturing, then definitely you are having the problem with auth URLs. Fix the auth URL, add only slash in the auth URL. Simple auth URL. Let me show you. So in the auth URL, you need to add only this. That's it. Okay. And in the cookie, you need to add the regex. Okay. And that will work. Don't worry. And by the way, whatever is shared on the group, that is still working. I have tested yesterday only because I was creating a replica for the Office Wishlet for this Evil Punch, and I tested it and it was working. Okay, so yeah, how do I integrate the web panel that can show captured cookies, IP location, and relevant info, including the notepad? Is it possible? Any ideas? Yes, it is possible. And if I'm not wrong, your real name, username is Ramos or something. But anyway, let's discuss that after. Yes, it is possible in the Evil Punch for sure. It is possible in the Evilginx, but it is a little bit tricky because in the Golang, creating a graphical user interface is the first of all challenge, and maintaining a static channel because the way Evilginx designed is completely different. It is not designed for that kind of work. Okay, if the Evilginx is using the database or something, then yes, it might be possible to handle the data, display everything in the live time in the dashboard. Everything might be possible, but the problem and the limitation with the Evilginx is it is no, the the design itself is not that stable. Okay, the working is stable, but the design is not stable. It is not designed to extend. Okay, like Evil Punch is designed to extend. You can just literally do anything with the Evil Punch. Okay, your screen does not show. Can we see your screen? Blah blah blah. BS7, I think there is an issue on the your side because a lot of people can see the screen. Only you are there who is having the issue with the screen. Okay. By the way, I just remember I showed the credentials on the channel for my one account. So I think I should be deleting that account or either I should be changing the password for that account. Okay. So let me just go here in the website, go here, click on the preferences, click on the delete my account and delete my account and you were logged on. Okay. So I just deleted my account. That's great. Uh, yeah, I hope you understood everything. And by the way, the tools we have right here, please check those tools out. These are also quite good tools. And please start using the tools. And if you face any issue with the evil punch, if you are trying the evil punch, if you face the issue, then best option is you go on the GitHub, create the issue right here, and yeah, I am here to fix it. And if you want like latest code, then you can get from this dev branch. Okay, there are two branch. One is dev, one is main. Basically, in the main branch in the main branch, we have stable code, and in the dev branch, we have the development for which is being developed right now. So in the dev branch, you will get everything up to date. Okay, that's for sure. So you can check the dev branch. Anyway, it looks like everything is fine. If you face issue, you know what to do. You go here, create the issue, or you go on the fluxset.com, create a new topic here like this guy has created already. And yeah, I'm here to answer your questions. That's all. I hope you have a nice day. Let me see if there is any question that I supposed to. Okay, I got two questions. Let me take. Is the JavaScript injected and authenticated automatically created during the startup? No, it is not. No, it is not. Basically, you need to manually authenticate the JavaScript and then add it into the code. But the authentication is supposed to happen on the only one page, which is the redirector page, and it's already covered everything in the course. How to use the redirector, how to create the custom redirector, how to create the advanced redirector, how to think when you creating the redirector itself. Because I have given the liberty to literally do everything with the redirector. Okay, so yeah, that is there, and these are by the way, these videos are in the course. Um, Please watch the Telegram group chat link for what? Like the channel? If you're asking for the channel, then it's a fluxet t.me/fluxxset. SET. Yeah, FLUXXSET. Yeah, that's the link if you are asking about the website group. If you are asking about the course group, then definitely if once you purchase the course, then you get automatically added in the group. You need to share the username, obviously. If you are asking about the material, then yes, again, once you purchase, you get added in the group. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next. It's been time. It's been 40 minutes. So yeah, let's end this stream. If you have any question, you know where to ask. And make sure that you ask the questions because you guys complain I don't answer the question, and when I'm answering the question, you don't ask the question. Okay? Please keep in mind that. Okay. Anyway, let's end this stream. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.